What's the meaning of acrimonious? Acrimonious. 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 Acrimonious means angry and bitter. It is typically used to describe a situation or dispute where the parties involved have strong negative feelings towards each other and are unwilling to cooperate or compromise. Such situations can result in heated arguments, personal attacks, and a breakdown in communication. Acrimonious disputes can be damaging to relationships, both personal and professional, and can result in long-lasting animosity between the parties involved. In order to avoid acrimony, it is important to approach conflicts with empathy and a willingness to understand the other person's perspective, even if we do not necessarily agree with it.